will be departing soon. Please proceed to the gate with all of your things. Hello, I'm ready to check in.
Hello, may I see? Be sure to check your travel info. Here's your ID and boarding.
Thanks. Dear travelers, please remember to keep track of your belongings and report any unattended bags to authorities. Your safety is our priority. Before getting on the plane, we need to go through security. We can't bring anything dangerous.
Welcome to Baby Panda's airport. Please proceed to your flight gate as soon as possible, and we'd like to wish you all safe and happy travels. Before international flights, we need to show our passport at the customs desk first. Hello, passport please. Please take your passport. Thank you. Dear passengers, the airplane is boarding now. Please bring all of your belongings and your boarding pass with you. We wish you all safe and happy travels. Welcome aboard Baby Bus's flight. We hope you have an enjoyable flight. Please open your window shade. The plane is preparing for takeoff. Please switch off all electronic devices.